Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by picking a simple notebook or an app and blocking 5-10 minutes each day. Once done, record a baseline, weight, key lifts, times, and how you feel. This anchors progress. Next, set 3 specific goals with dates so you measure direction, not noise. Then immediately log today's workout, exercises, sets, reps, and a quick note on effort. This turns intention into action and makes tomorrow's plan clearer. You now structure entries for repeatability: date, warm-up, main sets, and a short notes line. Make sure to log numbers precisely: sets times reps times weight, and add rest times and an RPE or percentage when relevant. This quantifies progress. Once that's routine, add nutrition, sleep, and mood so you see correlations. Use simple tags like legs or conditioning to filter later, and once a week review trends to adjust volume and intensity. You finish sessions by reviewing weekly, compare current numbers to baseline and highlight gains or declines. Then adjust with 1-2 micro goals, maybe add volume, increase weight by 5% or prioritize recovery. Small changes compound. Make sure to schedule the next workouts in the journal so momentum stays. If entries go missing, simplify the template and set a daily alarm. That troubleshooting step keeps the habit alive.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.